Well, guess what? If we're talking 30, 40, 50, even 10 or 20 years on into the future, people are gonna see what values are then and wish that they could come back and buy them today. Hey everybody, this is Scott Kraft with Pine Financial Group, where we work together so you succeed. You found us here on Facebook. Please go ahead and give this video a like and share it with your friends. And make sure that you subscribe to our page on YouTube as well. We're trying to create a community of real estate investors just like you. So today I'm going to talk about how real estate makes millionaires. You've probably heard that 90% of the country's millionaires were made millionaires through real estate. Now, how did they do this? Was it through fix and flips? Was it through construction? No. See, the thing is, when you're doing fix and flips, that's a job, right? That's your day-to-day job. It takes a ton of time, takes a ton of knowledge, but you can still become a millionaire through real estate, even if you don't really know anything about construction, even if you have a day job that takes all your time away from you. So I'm gonna show you what it is that makes real estate an investment that will turn you into a millionaire. So the first thing is you get monthly cash flow every single month, year after year after year, for as long as you own this property. The idea is that your mortgage payment is gonna be less than what you can rent this property for. So every single month, you're gonna be getting that difference between what you have to pay to own the property and what you're getting paid for someone to use that property. Now, obviously, over the years, there's gonna be repairs that have to be made. You're gonna have a broken furnace, you're gonna have to repair the water heater, whatever it is. But over the years, that positive cash flow adds up, and it is a fantastic benefit of owning real estate. The second benefit to owning real estate that will turn you into a millionaire is that you get tax benefits from it. And that's not just your personal residence. I'm also talking about with rental properties. You get to use what's called depreciation on your tax returns, which is essentially just an expense that's not really an expense. So it decreases your tax burden at the end of the year. Basically, what you're doing is you're saying, well, every single year this property is worth less. So you can add in depreciation as an expense to your taxes, even though it's not something you really paid. It's just a decrease in value of the property. Ironically, while the property is probably going up in value. The third way that real estate will make you a millionaire is that you get to use it as an inflation hedge. And we all have seen the crazy inflation we've experienced in this country over the last year. This is a way to hedge against that. When we're in a high inflationary period, you really want to own real assets, right? And what I mean by a real asset is something physical. Often we hear people talk about gold, precious metals. Real estate is just the same. It's an actual asset that is going to go up in value as the dollar's value goes down. Okay, so the fourth way that real estate will turn you into a millionaire is you get the benefit of amortization over time. Now, what do I mean by amortization? That is basically the process of paying down your mortgage every single month. So that's turning your liability on the property, what you owe the bank to pay them off, into equity, what you own. So the portion of your ownership versus what you owe to the bank is changing every single month as you pay your mortgage off. The greatest part about this is it's not even you paying it. It's your tenants, right? So they're paying you rent every single month, and you're paying your mortgage every single month from that rental payment. And that's in addition to the cash flow that you're getting from them every single month that goes straight into your pocket after paying the mortgage. So the fifth and final way that real estate investing will make you a millionaire is through appreciation. And this is everyone's favorite, right? We all hear, man, my parents paid X for their property back in 1970. What if I could go back and buy houses at that price now? Well, guess what? If we're talking 30, 40, 50, even 10 or 20 years on into the future, people are gonna see what values are then and wish that they could come back and buy them today at today's values, even though we look at it and we think we're at the top of the market, right? So if you look at a graph going over the last 40, 50, 100 years, real estate values have always gone up. So I hope you guys understand how real estate investing will turn you into a millionaire, how it's turned so many people in this country into millionaires. And the greatest part about it is this can really be a passive thing, right? If you have a job, you can still do your job and own real estate and get paid every single month for owning that real estate. If you're interested in getting more information about this, or if you want to talk with anyone over at Pine about real estate investing, you want to get pre-qualified for your first rental property, that's awesome. Give us a call. Our number is 303-835-4445, or you can find us on the web at www.pinefinancialgroup.com.